So why commit to doing 100 videos in 100 days? I'm starting to ask myself the same question. If you're anything like me, I'm really good at starting something, but then normally a week, 2 weeks in, I kind of lose momentum. Something else becomes more important and I basically fall off the wagon and fail to do something. Video is something that I've wanted to kind of master for a while, something I know I should be doing. People love my my written content, and I wasn't always good at writing content. You know, it was one of those things I committed to, and because I was doing it most days, I got better at it. And this is kind of the way to incentivize myself, gamify the process of learning to love creating video. So it's coming up with the idea, it's setting up the office, which is kind of what I've done now to suit video. It's then recording the video, editing the video, and then publishing it. So it's quite a few processes involved in there. And I think by committing to 100 videos in 100 days, I'll refine those processes. I'll start to get better. Obviously, you do something 100 times in 100 days, you're going to improve, whether that's press-ups or eating healthy, whatever it is, as long as you keep that momentum, keep that consistency. And I think this is a way of me achieving that. So if you've got something in your life you want to commit to, 100 in 100, that's the hashtag, give it a try. But for me, it's really about getting good at creating video around what I do, which is chatbots and conversational AI. The main thing is I've already got the content. All of my content over the last year is all in a spreadsheet, all with the titles, and there's been a column there from the very start that says video, and I've just never created the video. I've just never bothered to take the time, and I think about it at least weekly. So it's time to commit 100 videos in 100 days. I'm going to learn a lot in this process about how to do it, best way to do it. You know, even now it's took me 2 days to kind of settle this like setup. I've had to move my desk away from the wall. I've got my phone acting as my camera. I've got the mic set up. I've got my iPad for notes. I've had to put some external light on because the light coming in from the patio doors changes all the time. It was very echoey in here, hence why I changed the mic rather than using the iPhone mic. Just trying to get everything working right. Not easy, but the basics are done now. No excuses. It's just about creating the content. So if you want to get involved, wherever you see this video, just tell me what you're going to do 100 of in 100 days. Take care, and that's video 1 in the bag. Speak soon. Bye.